Hello everyone. Good morning to all. I am back with January series of important day and series. It has been a great journey. We have started this journey from June 20 and also it is going on. It will be continue every month. So please take benefit on this content and empower yourself. It will be great rewards for me if you like it and learn something. My aim is to empower you to all toward educations. So, once again, thank you everyone for great motivation. Then let's start with our new series, which is January month. Okay, start with January month series. The first January, we have celebrated Global Family Day. This day is celebrated to unite and spread a message of peace by considering and promoting the idea that Earth is one global family, so as to make the world a better place to live for everyone. On 6th January, we have celebrated World Day for War Orphans. This day is celebrated to create awareness about the plight of the war orphans and to address the traumatic condition faced by them. On 8th January, we have celebrated African National Congress Foundation Day. The primary motive of this day was to give voting rights to black and mixed race Africans or to unite African people, spearhead the struggle of fundamental political, social and economic changes. 9th January, we have celebrated NRI Day or Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. This day is celebrated to mark the contribution of overseas Indian community towards the development of India. Also this day, Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa to Mumbai, which is 9th January 1915. On 10th January, we have celebrated World Hindi Day. This day is celebrated annually on January 10th since 2006, promote of language at global stage. 11th January, we have celebrated death anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri due to cardiac arrest. He died on 11th January 1966. He was the second PM of independent India. He gave the slogan Jai Jawan and Jai Kisan. On 12th January, we have celebrated National Youth Day. This is the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. It is also called as Swami Vivekananda Jayanti, celebrated as National Youth Day on 12th January every year. He was born 12th January 1863. 15th January, we have celebrated Indian Army Day. In this day, 1949, Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa took over as first Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army from General Sir Francis Butcher. He was the last British Commander-in-Chief. This year we have celebrated 73 Indian Army Day. On 23rd January we have celebrated Parakram Divas. This is the 150th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack. Netaji slogan was Dilli Chalo. Along with, he have quoted that give me blood and I will give you freedom. 24th January, we have celebrated National Girl Child Day. This day is celebrated to highlight the inequality faced by majority of the girls in India, the importance of education, nutrition, legal rights, medical care, safety of girl children. Also on 24th January we have celebrated International Day of Education. The first International Day of Education was celebrated on 24th January 2019. This year theme was recover and revitalize education for the COVID-19 generation. On 25th January we have celebrated National Voters Day. This day is celebrated to encourage young voters to take part of the political process. In this year, a theme was making our voter empowered vigilant, safe and informed. Also, we have celebrated National Tourism Day on 25th January. This day is celebrated in India to raise awareness, educate the people about the importance and tourism, the role it plays in Indian economy. 26th January we have celebrated Republic Day. On 26th November 1949, Indian Constituent Assembly adopted as per Supreme Law. It reflects the Government of India Act 1935. It came into effect on 26 January 1950 with democratic government system. Also, we have celebrated International Custom Day. This day is celebrated by the custom organization to recognize the role of custom officials and agency the maintaining border security. This year theme is customs boutique recovery, renewal and resilience. 28th January we have celebrated birth anniversary of Lala Rajpat Rai. He was born on 28 January 1865 in Punjab. He is also earned title of Punjabi Kesari, the Lion of Punjab. He died on 17th November 1928. 30th January we have celebrated Shahid Divas. This day is celebrated as Shahid Divas in memory of Mahatma Gandhi and sacrifice of the three revolutionaries of India. January we have also celebrated World Leprosy Eradication Day. This day was celebrated on the last Sunday of January to focus on the target to zero cases of leprosy related disability in India. In this year, the World Leprosy Eradication Day is observed on 30th January. Thanks for watching. I think it will be great for you and keep motivating us for making such useful video further. And please suggest if any suggestion required, and like, subscribe and comment our channel. Please motivate us. Thank you for watching.